Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, I'm going to be unboxing two $15 subscription boxes. We're going to be unboxing the Glitz Glam Box and the Allure Beauty Box. These are for the June 2020 boxes. So, if you want to see what I got in both of these subscriptions, then keep on watching. Alright guys, I really love these two subscriptions. I really do. And I like putting them together. That way you guys can see two subscriptions boxes that are, fairly affordable, that are $15, and see if you like both of them, which do you like better, or do you even like any of them? Are they worth it, So, let's start with the Glitz Glam Box. Now, I might be a little biased because these are by two sisters that started this subscription boxes, and it is Black owned. So, and they're also from New Jersey. Did I tell you that? That is where I am from. So I might be a little biased, but I really do think it is worth the $15 every month. So, and you always get it like the first week of the month. Like they are on right on the money. Like you don't wait for this subscription box. So I really like that too. They don't play. They don't play. Okay, card is right here. All right, so this says need more glam. Head to glitzglambox.com to secure the glam. They have Lash Lovers box. They have a BYOB, which is build your own box. And they have a mystery box, and they have Glitz Starter Tool Kit over there. And so for the theme for this month is Miss Glitz Glam. So, and then it tells you what everything is in your box. And it always comes wrapped up like this with their little sticker, and then the tissue paper has like little glitter. I think it's really pretty. Do I have that light on too high again? There I go again. I don't know if you can see. It's really, really pretty. Okay. Now, you always get lashes every month. I don't wear lashes, but my daughter does, so I don't mind that. And the lashes are definitely up her style. These are from a Glitz Glam Box, if you guys can see. And this is in the style Never Basic Lashes. And their saying is, we don't do basic all the time. So these are $12. And like I said, they're like more dramatic, but that's what my daughter likes. Then you'll always get some form of like glitter, or you might get a single eyeshadow, and it usually matches what the palette is. So this is a green glitter from their brand, Glitz Glam Box. Let me just open it up and see. You definitely have to use a glitter glue with these glitters, but it's so pretty. I love how it's shaped like in a diamond. And it's like a hunter green, and it has like silver and blue and everything. It's really, really pretty. And this is $5. It's called the 3D Diamond Glitter. So let's open up our palette. This is Be a Queen 16 color eyeshadow from Be a Bombshell. Now, a lot of times what I do like about this subscription too, you can customize. So if there's different eyeshadow palettes, let's say there's like 3 to choose from, you can actually go in and choose which one that you want. So I do like that, just as like the lipsticks too. And then they also have something called Double the Glam. So let's just say there's 2 eyeshadow palettes. You can pick one, and if you want the other one, you can purchase the other one on their site, on their website, or you can purchase all 3 or whatever. So I do like that. That's the first subscription box that I know you can do that with. And these are the colors. So very, very pretty. And that's what I mean. What did I just do with that glitter? The green will definitely go. So I do like the fact that they do try to match everything up. And this retails for $28. So let me, oh God, they feel good. Let me swatch a couple of their shimmer shades, and then we'll do some mattes. I'll just do a couple. right there. I mean, they don't swatch like boom in your face, but let's see if it's buildable. That's the key. But with shimmer shades, you can definitely wet that. Oh yeah, look at that now. See, they do build. So I don't mind that, but the true test is a matte. Let's see how the mattes are. I'm just gonna pick a couple. Okay, so let's see. I mean, they don't, like I said, they don't swatch the best, but let me see. And I just did these two just to see how it deepens up. Let's do the orange, and they're definitely buildable. So I'd rather have a palette like that that's buildable. So I'm definitely excited. And also, now I would never pay $28 for this alone. I'm just going to be honest. But I love the fact that they do put indie brands in this subscription box, and you're not really paying $28 for this because it's in a $15 subscription box. So that's why I love subscription boxes. All right, and last but not least is from Hikari. This is a matte lip gloss, and this is in the shade Devoted. And this is $15. Now on here it says matte liquid lipstick. And on here it says matte lip gloss. So I don't know which is which. We'll swatch it and see. Really pretty. Okay, so this is a matte liquid lipstick. So pretty. And you can see it. Everything goes together. You can make it work. Has a little sweet scent, but not too bad. But let's go over everything that we got for $15. So we have a lipstick. We have an eyeshadow palette. We have eyelashes. We have a glitter. And is that it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 items for $15. You can't beat that. And you usually always get a palette most of the time. All right, so that was in our Glitz Glam Box. So let's see what we got in our Allure Beauty Box. So this is also a monthly subscription that is $15. I see something in here that I like. So you always get a little pamphlet. Now in here will give you prices what the full size items will be. So you don't always get everything full size, but you can get some full size items. And then it gives you a description about what each product is, but it gives you in the eyes of the editor of what they think of each product and why they picked it. So the first thing, let me just show you what it looks like. That's enough, a little sneak peek. But what I love is by Purlisse. This is the Watermelon and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. And this is definitely full size. I mean, right here, it pays for the box. I'm really into like the skincare that has like watermelon or mango or stuff like that. I'm really into like the fruity stuff lately. So let's see how much that puppy is. Okay, so this is $18. So this pays for the box, and it's kind of like everything else is free, you know? All right, so then we have, of course, this little sample size of Belief, and we always get this. I believe this is like a little moisturizer. See. I don't know. I got to work on these lights. I'm still not good at the lights. And yeah, this is a cream, a moisturizing cream. It has aloe vera in it, and it retails for $38 if it was full size. The next thing we got is from Yenza. This is a Super 8 lip oil. Yenza, the first time I've ever heard of the brand was in Ipsy. And I don't remember what I got. Maybe a lip product that I actually liked. I don't remember not liking it. So this looks like it's full size, and this retail values for $28, guys. Wow. See what I mean? Allure's worth it too. And it's just like a lip oil. So it's like a tinted lip oil. So let me show you. So it's, you know, like a regular wand, and I will put the swatch right here. I love lip oils like when I'm home and I'm not going anywhere, or when I'm putting my makeup on and I'll put some kind of oil on my lips so they don't get dry before I put my lipstick on. So it's just like I said, a tinted lip oil. Love this. I don't know if I would pay $28, but I'm glad it's in a subscription box that's only $15. All right, the next thing we got is from Dashin Diva. This is an Ultra Shine Gel Palette. So these are for your nails. You guys can see I really don't do my nails because I'm not really into like nail polish, because I love bleach, and I'm always like washing dishes or using bleach or stuff, and they chip right off. But I'm really going to try this. In another subscription, I got like those stickers, and these are like what these kind of like are. And so this retails for $9, and it says this is a Dashin Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette for $9. You can't beat that. And the designs on here are really, really pretty, actually. I really like this. All right, so they're like gel strips and like designs. Happy for that. Two more things. Then from Shang Pri, this is the Gold Black Pearl Eye Mask. So it's the, you know, that you would put down here. A trick. If you notice that you use these and they fall down, put them on and then put a sheet mask over it. It will actually keep the eye mask, it will hold it together, and you're killing two birds with one stone, you know? That's what I do, and they stay on a lot longer. And this is, okay, for full size would be $60. And this is what a full size would look like. So it would look like it would come in like a little pan, and then with a whole bunch on there. So that's good. You get to try it and see if you like it, but $60, that's tough. And last but not least, here's a sheet mask. So this is from Star Skin. I do know this brand is expensive. It's a nourishing and brightening 2-step oil sheet mask. So you have the oil, and then you have, so you would put the oil on first, and then you would put the sheet mask on. So let's see how much that is. Okay, so it's not as expensive as what I thought. So it's only $10 for this one. I mean, $10 is a lot for one sheet mask, but maybe I'm thinking of that 111 skin one. You know, that's like expensive. All right, so let's recap everything that we got in the June 2020 Allure Beauty Box. So we have a sheet mask and we have the oil. We have an eye mask right there, which I really do enjoy eye masks. We have a full set of the gel strips, which I'm really, really excited. I'm really, really excited for this. We have a lip oil, which is full size. It's $28, but I mean, you know, comes in the box. We have a full-size Pure Release Watermelon and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. So whenever you see like charcoal in it, it's more for like oily skin, you know, but I have combo skin, so I'm definitely going to try it. Then we have a little sample size of this Belief, which we get these all the time in like ipsy, like the $12 bags and stuff. So, and is that everything? Yeah, so that's everything. So let me know what you think about the Allure Beauty Box. I'm telling you guys, these two subscriptions I love. These are probably one of the least ones that I would get rid of if I had to start getting rid of them. I just think that they're definitely worth the $15. So if I had to pick which one I like better, I don't know, they're both good, but I'll probably have to say the Glitz Glam Box because I'm into makeup. You know, I prefer makeup. I have a lot of skincare, but I also enjoy getting skincare since I am 44, so I love skincare too, so I like that. I don't know. You guys let me know down below which was better, the Glitz Glam Box or the Allure. Let me know if you get either one of them, what you think of them. Do you think they're worth the $15? I definitely do, but let me know what you guys think. So guys, please rate this video. So if you enjoy seeing me unbox these $15 subscription boxes, then give me a thumbs up. If you don't really enjoy seeing them unboxed on this channel, then give me a thumbs down. If I get a lot of thumbs down, then I know this is definitely not what you guys want to see. I only want to put what you guys want to see. And that's everything. If you guys enjoy unboxings or reviews, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love for you to join our family. Don't forget to turn that post notification bell on and make sure you have it on all. That way you'll get notified for all of my future videos. And that is everything, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Yes, I love these boxes. Love it.